vlog. So today is Friday the 24th and it's 7:30 and I've already dropped my kids off at school. So I'm gonna try to be as productive as I can today, while also allowing myself rest, because when I say my week has been crazy, I'm not gonna say crazy. I've had a good week, but it's just been a long week. Let's just say that. I'm a person who loves consistency. So I just feel like my week was just very much all over the place, and it wasn't like my normal schedule for work. So that kind of threw me for a loop, I must say. But it's okay. I'm going to try to be as productive as I can. My camera died, so I'm having to record on my phone. So I apologize if the quality is just not where it should be. But I still want to not let that stop me. I'm going to head to the grocery store. Really all that I need to do today is go to the grocery store, figure out my meals for the next couple days, and then get some other like notes and organization planning done for the morning. And I do plan on resting as well. So yes, I'm about to take you guys with me to the grocery store. Hopefully, because it's before 8 o'clock, it won't be as many people, and I love that for me. So let's head to the grocery store and get some things that we need. Tell me what. I got in the grocery store and really forgot to get any footage. When I go in the grocery store, I be like, one track mind, watch your surroundings, like get what you need to get and get out. So as soon as y'all saw me go in, y'all saw me coming out, okay? Why is it that every time we go grocery shopping, my mind is like, girl, stop and get you some breakfast. Stop and get you a Starbucks. It's like, no. You got food at home. Eat at home. Hey, you guys. So this is all that I got for $138. I do have more packs of meat here and some vegetables. I got ribs, ground beef, bacon. This is the only bacon that I like to buy, and y'all know it's pretty expensive. So ribs, ground beef, bacon, drumsticks, and chicken thighs. So I would say for $138, this is pretty good. And this should last me. The kids cannot make it without noodles, y'all. And it's quick. When I don't want to cook, make you some noodles. There's no shame in my game, okay?
But the blame on me for giving you chance after chance.
So now that I've gotten my fridge all cleaned out, I am ready for my big grocery shopping trip to fully stock the fridge with the things that we, eat most often. I don't buy a lot of fruit, and we don't keep a lot of stuff in the fridge. We just stock our pantry and our freezer. I need to know what classes that I need to be able to further, pursue that nursing degree. Yes. So I want to just show you guys, now that I'm done with my morning errands and I had a meeting, I am able to start dinner. So I have been a super fan of crock pot meals, y'all. Like, they are so easy. I don't know why I did not jump on the train sooner, but when I tell you I am a fan, especially with my work schedule, listen, anything to make my life easier, okay? So I'm starting with some green peppers. I think I use 2 here, and I'm gonna chop them up thinly. It don't have to be thin. I'm just using it as my seasoning. Then I'm gonna add a half of a white onion. I think it's a yellow onion, matter of fact. And this is what's going to help season the chicken. I am a firm believer in seasoning your meat with onion and bell pepper, okay? It just does something. I don't know exactly what it does, but it makes it taste better. So I'm adding these, or I'm chopping them up so I can add them to my meal. My family doesn't really like chicken drumsticks, but they were so cheap today. They were on sale for $4. I should have honestly got another pack to freeze, but it's fine. So I'm just going to make some smothered drumsticks over some rice, probably some cornbread, just a real good comfort meal. It's starting to get cool where I am, so this is just going to make everybody just feel like they're getting a warm hug from me tonight. And before I forget to mention, you want to add a cream of chicken and herbs can to this, and trust me, it's like the finishing touch. It's so good. And I would usually also add a can of cream of mushroom, but I did not have any more, so this will do. But I promise it's so good. So it is later in the day. I wanted to show you guys what the food looks like. I'm cooking rice. I just made some cornbread and green beans. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, and it tastes really, really good. So this is what it turned out. Excuse me, y'all. That cornbread is stuck in my throat. So this is what it looks like. It's so tender, falling off the bone. Y'all know I started this like early this morning, so it's been cooking all day. Then we have some green beans going, some rice, and I just made some cornbread. Aaliyah is coloring, and her markers smell good. Samaya's over there doing Spanish homework, I'm pretty sure. Literally just took the hat off my head, so that's why there's this line here. I'm about to show them so far. Can I show them so far? I'm about to restock my peppermint tea. So guys, I think I told you guys, hold on, Leah. I think I told y'all in like a vlog or 2 back that I love my peppermint and my green tea every single night. She wants to show you.
So guys, so far I've been doing good. I got my colors, and I have to do this one, and I'm gonna do love with the heart, and I'm so excited. Hopefully she'll let me show you guys at the end. So we'll be right back.
Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I know I feel like I'm always doing these little car chats vlogs with you guys, but I just got back from, today is Saturday, so it's the next day, and my daughter woke up and was like, she can barely eat, swallow anything, her throat is hurting. So she had been complaining about a sore throat and headache for about a week, maybe a week and a half, but it's like off and on. It was not consistent. So anyways, being that I work in healthcare and pediatrics, I decided to take her and get her swabbed for strep. So I'm sitting in the car because I'm waiting on them to call me with the results so that I can go pick up her medicine, because they did go ahead and send in some medicine for a sinus infection because she was pretty stopped up. So waiting on that, and my girl Mariah started playing, so I was like, I can't get out the car when my song is on. So yeah, I don't really have any plans today. I may or may not take the kids to a birthday party. It's not looking real positive because 1, it's starting to rain, and 2, I am just not, it's a 3-year-old birthday party at that, and my kids are older. So yeah, I don't know if we're going to do that for sure. Really, the positive or negative test result is going to let me know what I'm going to do. So yeah, I do have to run to Walmart to get her prescription and do some cleaning and organizing, because you guys, I'm realizing that my life is just going to be so much smoother if I just have everything in its place. When I meal prep, when my closet is clean, and then my closet has just been a place where it's like a catch-all. My closet is connected to my washroom, so I just throw everything in my closet or in a big laundry basket, and it just will sit there, y'all. It will sit there. But I'm trying to be better and just know that, like, girl, you're not going to feel good. You're going to feel chaotic until you get all of this up. And I'm just going to have to do it. I'm going to make time to do it today. I don't have to cook today because y'all know I cooked yesterday. I'm trying to think. I really don't have any other like things on my to-do list today. I do want to get on my LTK and link all of my favorite things. I haven't done that in a while. I did a few things last week and I was making some sales. So I'm like, girl, come on, let's get into it, okay? But other than that, I don't really have much to do. So I'm excited for that. I've been trying to watch The Summer I Turned Pretty, which I do like. I do really like that series. Some of the episodes, they're kind of boring, so I just let it play in the background. But I do like it. I'm on season 2. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I'm waiting on a phone call, and so I just wanted to let you guys know what was on my agenda for today, which is pretty much nothing. As y'all can see, y'all really can't see what's going on, the nitty-gritty of this closet, okay? Let's see how long it takes me. It is currently 12:05, and I have a lot of stuff in here. I try to organize it and like get everything together, and it lasts for like a week because, you know, I end up throwing stuff out the dryer and putting stuff everywhere. Like, y'all, look at this. So this is like my beauty corner, and I love my closet. There's shelves everywhere, okay? But it's just not organized. It says you're just really pretty. Yeah, it just needs to get organized and put together. So let's get it done. This is what my floor looks like, because again, my washroom is right here, and I just throw all the clothes in baskets, but this one I dumped out, and then I have another basket over there. So I say all of that to say, let's clean and organize this space, because this right here is just so chaotic, and it's just not good for my mental. It's just a reflection of how I feel, and I don't like that, and I'm aware of that. So let's get it cleaned up.
On my old name, only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave the side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided.
Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love.
Okay guys, so I'm so glad I got that done. It's still not perfect. I have a lot more organizing to do. I actually need to get some like bins and containers. I need to go to Dollar Store, Ross, Burlington, TJ Maxx and get like baskets and stuff. But it is more put together than it was. My walk space is clean. Everything's folded. So yeah, now I can say that everything is at least organized as far as my bags and stuff. This I do need to get rid of. And yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm done for the day. But for at least for right now, I think I'm about to go make me some lunch. I'm out of breath, y'all. I think I'm about to make me some lunch and then watch a movie. See, I'm already sleepy. It's like I can only do so much and then I'd be having to come back the next day. So I'm glad that's done. I was really wanting to get the clothes off the floor. I have to give the kids their clothes, and then that basket, it just has like socks and underwear and stuff like that. So we're getting somewhere.